ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता।
उत्तरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत्। आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः।
Elevate yourself through the power of your mind and not degrade yourself, for the mind can be the friend and also the enemy of the self.
बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः। अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत्।
For those who have conquered their mind, it is their friend. For those who have failed to do so, the mind works like an enemy.
जितात्मन प्रशान्तस्य परमात्मा समाहितः। शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु तथा मानापमानयोः।
The Supreme Spirit is rooted in the knowledge of the self-controlled man, whose mind is perfectly serene in the midst of pairs of opposites, such as cold and heat, joy and sorrow, and honor and ignominy.
ज्ञानविज्ञानतृप्तात्मा कूटस्थो विजितेन्द्रियः। युक्त इत्युच्यते योगी समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः।
The yogi who are satisfied by knowledge and discrimination and have conquered their senses remain undisturbed in all circumstances. They see everything, dirt, stones, and gold, as the same.
सुहृन्मित्रार्युदासीन मध्यस्थद्वेषबन्धुषु साधुष्वपि च पापेषु समबुद्धिर्विशिष्यते।
He who looks upon well-wishers and neutrals, as well as mediators, friends and foes, relatives and inimicals, the virtuous and the sinful with equanimity, stands supreme.
योगी युञ्जीत सततम् आत्मानं रहसि स्थितः। एकाकी यतचित्तात्मा निराशीरपरिग्रहः।
Living in seclusion all by himself, the yogi who has controlled his mind and body and is free from desires and is void of possessions should constantly engage his mind in meditation.
समं कायशिरो ग्रीवं धारयन्नचलं स्थिरः। सम्प्रेक्ष्य नासिकाग्रं स्वं दिशश्चानवलोकयन्।
Holding the trunk, head and neck straight and steady, remaining firm and fixing the gaze on the tip of his nose without looking in other directions.
युक्ताहारविहारस्य युक्तश्चेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः।
Yoga, which rids one of woe, is accomplished only by him who is regulated in diet and recreation, regulated in performing actions, and regulated in sleep and wakefulness.
यदा विनियतं चित्तम् आत्मन्येवावतिष्ठते। निःस्पृहः सर्वकामेभ्यः युक्त इत्युच्यते तदा।
When the mind which is thoroughly disciplined gets riveted on God alone, then the person who is free from yearning for all enjoyments is said to be established in yoga.
यथा दीपग्निवातस्तः नेङ्गते सोपमा स्मृता। योगिनो यतचित्तस्य युञ्जतो योगमात्मनः।
The state in which, curbed through the practice of yoga, the mind becomes still, and in which, realizing God through subtle reason, The soul rejoices only in God.
सर्वभूतस्थमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि ईक्षते योगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शनः.
The yogi, who is united in identity with the all-pervading, infinite consciousness, whose vision everywhere is even, beholds the self-existing in all beings, and all beings are assumed in the self.
यो मां पश्यति सर्वत्र सर्वं च मयि पश्यति तस्याहं न प्रणश्यामि स च मे न प्रणश्यति.
He who sees me, present in all beings, and all beings existing within me, he is never lost to me, nor am I ever lost to him.
आत्मौपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति योऽर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः.
Arjuna, he who looks on all as one on the analogy of his own self and looks upon the joy and sorrow of all equally, such a yogi is deemed to be the highest of all.